Hello students, welcome to my channel Exam Study. Today we will discuss about GI tags in our country India. So basically what is GI tag and who grants it? But before that I would like to tell you there is a slight change in the teaching style of mine today. I will not provide you the notes, I will write it on the board. You just note it down in your notebook and feedback is welcome. Please give it in the comment section. So I'll start with GI tags. Today we will be GI tag is a sign used on product that has specific geographical origin. Now this is the definition of GI tag. So if a product is given a GI tag, then it is very beneficial as per the WTO standard. So GI, it's not like that. GI tag is only given in the country in our country. It is given all over the world. Italian products have GI tags. You will find it in Scotland. Germany also has GI tag product. Likewise, India also has GI tax product. Various products are there, but first GI tag was given in first GI tag was given in 2004, and that was given to Darjeeling tea. That means Darjeeling tea has a specific geographical origin in the in Darjeeling, and anybody cannot sell that product which is not manufactured in Darjeeling or have the standards like that. So this is the benefit of GI tag. Some um, products that have GI tags are Bikaneri bhujia, दशहरी मलियाबादी आम, बनारस की साड़ियाँ, लखनऊ चिकन क्राफ्ट. There are numerous products in India that have received GI tag. Recently, GI tag is given to many products. In the year 2020, GI tag was given to many products. Today in this video, we will discuss some of those which have a very strong possibility to come in the examination. So, the first one is Sohrai Khovar painting. See, this is a painting that was done by the tribal ladies of Hazaribagh. And where is Hazaribagh? Hazaribagh. And where is Hazaribagh? Hazaribagh is in the state of, that you will give in the comment section. So Surya Khovar painting belongs to the state of, you will give the answer. I am telling you the district. It belongs to the state district of Hazaribagh. The tribal ladies there practice that painting. Sorry, Khovar painting. After that, the second product is Telia Rumal. Telia Rumal is a technique of weaving the yarn after bleaching it with the oil. So that belongs to the state of Telangana. So Telia Rumal is the second product which has a very strong possibility to have a question in your examination. Third is your Kadalai Mithai. Kadalai Mithai is a peanut candy made from the peanuts and jaggery. The water that is used is from the river Thamir Abini. This is the name of the river whose water is used in making Kadalai Mithai. Tamirabini is a perennial river in the state of Tamil Nadu, originates from Western Ghat and it's drained into Gulf of Mannar. So Kadalai Mithai belongs to Tamil Nadu and the water used is of the river Thambi Rabini that originates in Western Ghats and drains to Gulf of Mannar. It is a perennial river of Tamil Nadu. Perennial means whose water is available throughout the year. After this, the fourth Gorakhpur, terracotta. Terracotta are the pottery that is a century old. So Gorakhpur pottery are given GI tag from the state of Uttar Pradesh. After Gorakh after Gorakhpur pottery, now next is your Kashmir saffron. Kashmir saffron. It is the saffron that is produced in Kashmir is also given the GI tag, and the type of saffron that is produced in Kashmir are Lacha saffron, Mongra saffron, and Guji saffron. These three are the variety of saffron that is produced in Kashmir. So GI tag is given to all these three saffron. The saffron produced in Kashmir is used for their traditional drink kahwa. And after this Kashmir saffron, the next product is that was given GI tag is black rice of Manipur. And black rice of Manipur is known as Chek Chak How. It is black in color but changes into purple color when cooked. So these are the some of the products of that were given GI tags, and that is a very strong possibility of asking in the examination. So the products are, I will revise it once. So Rai Khovar painting that belongs to the district of Hazaribagh. You will write the name of the state Hazaribagh belongs to in the comment section. Next is Telia Roma that belongs to Telangana. Kadalai Mithai, it is a peanut candy and that is the state in the state of Tamil Nadu. Next is Gorakhpur terracotta, that is terracotta are belongs to pottery, and Gorakhpur is in the state of Uttar Pradesh. After this Kashmir saffron, I have written the name of three varieties of saffron that is produced in Kashmir. These are the three varieties, and saffron produced in Kashmir is used in the traditional drink kahwa. And the last is black rice of Manipur, that is known as Chekhao. It is black in color, but it changes its color into purple, dark purple, when they are cooked. It is a traditional rice that is used in bakery, cakes, in Chinese cuisine. So these are the products that were given the GI tags. Note it down in your notebooks and please provide me the feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.